Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can change a Discord account profile picture using a Discord mobile application. So you have a Discord account, you have joined a lot of server using that account, you have a server of your friends list, you have a server for gaming with your friends, you have different kind of servers joined there. You have been using a profile picture for that account for a very long time, and now you want to change the profile picture for that account using a Discord mobile application, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to change a Discord account profile picture using a Discord mobile application. So the first thing you want to do in order to change a profile picture in a Discord mobile application is open the Discord mobile application. Once you open a Discord mobile application, you land on the very page that you visited last time you opened the Discord mobile app. From there, what you want to do is go back, then you land in an interface like this. From here, what you want to do in order to change a profile picture in the Discord mobile app is go to your settings on the bottom right corner of your screen by tapping the account icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you go into the user settings, what you want to do is go into user profile in order to change your profile picture. Once you do that, you can see that there is a section labeled as about me, then there is a profile picture, and above that profile picture you have a pen icon. Tap on that pen icon. Once you tap on that pen icon, a pop-up menu like this will open. You'll have two options there, one to change your avatar, one to remove your avatar. So to change a profile picture, what you want to do is tap on the change avatar option. Once you tap on the change avatar option, a pop-up menu like this will open. Here you can choose the application that you want to open in order to access the picture that you want to set as your profile picture. So go ahead and choose one of those apps. Once you do that, select the image that you want to upload as a profile picture. Once you select the image that you want to upload as a profile picture, frame it, size it, then once you're satisfied with the picture that you want to upload as a profile picture, what you want to do is tap on the done button on the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you can see that you have successfully changed your profile picture using a Discord mobile application. So that was the simple step in order to change a profile picture of a Discord account using a Discord mobile application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.